nice that we were able to make the reunion this year since it's being held in McCammon Depot, where my dad worked as many years as telegrapher. We're happy we were able to be here. Thank you very much.
I'm Alice. I was the one who was married to Rowe. He passed away in 1949. This is his son and his daughter. No, this is Janet, my daughter, and my grandson, who's standing behind her, and his wife, Diane, and then their son, Brandon. We're so happy to be here today and have this family reunion of Bert's folks. It's a beautiful day. We've had a lovely meal. We've had lovely programs, taken part in all the activities here. I lived in Coquitlam at the time. This time, Janet here lives in Utah, and my grandson and his wife live in Salt Lake City, Utah. And we're just up here for this big celebration.
I'm Rowe, the last son of Benjamin Turner Rowe, Jr. And this is my wife, Mary Alice Pratt. We were married in 1941, and we had 5 children. 4 of them are still living, and there are part of them here with us today. Our oldest son, Bruce, is not here. He's in Washington, unable to come. And I'll turn the time over to Mark. He's my second son. Introduce his family.
Okay, I'm Mark Rowe, as he said, the second son. And I have here with me my 5 children, and 1 grandchild and son-in-law. This is Dave Rollins, our son-in-law, and Teresa, his wife. And this is Elisa, their little girl who just turned 1 today. And this is Laura, our second daughter. And then there's Daniel kneeling down here, Jonathan, and David. This is my wife, Paula. Almost forgot you.
Deanne, you're next.
There's Deanne.
This is Deanne. She's my mom. And she's the third oldest daughter. The only daughter. And this is, I'm Ben, like I said, this is Charity, this is Sarah, and that's Miriam, and Emily, and Michael, Elizabeth, and that's Deborah right there. And that's about it. There's Chris and Dion and my dad, and they're unable to make it there in Washington.
Our third son, Glenn, will introduce his family.
I'm Glenn Rowe. This is my wife, Melody. We have 4 children. 3 of them are here today. Our oldest, Brett, is in scout camp, and his wife, Mrs. Kayleen. Our oldest daughter, and Justin, and Mary Ann.
I'm Paul Rowe, the 8th child of Grandpa Benjamin C. Rowe. And the others here who are my other family will be announced by them in their order.
I'm Pauline Rowe. I'm the oldest daughter, of Paul and I, my husband Wayne. We live in North Ogden, where my husband practices dentistry, and we have 8 children. That's all.
And they're none of them here today, but they all had good excuses. I'm Reva, have 2 of our 5 children here with us today. Those that are not here is our youngest and our oldest and a middle one. And standing next to Mickey is Cindy. And she's Cindy Anderson, married to John Anderson. And they have 2 children. Tyler, can you wave? Tyler and Nicole. And then our son is Keith, and his wife Kathy, and their son Kyle. So we have 3 of our 6 grandchildren with us. And sitting right here by Grandma Rowe is Grandma Rowland, and she's part of our family. She has come to stay with us this summer and helped us with this reunion, and we love her very much.